with the Pakistani
I think
people.
what credibility Imran Khan government has, the world has witnessed that it was a stolen election, it was a rigged election. It's not we are saying, we have experienced. All pre-poll 2018 surveys indicate the PMLN will win. But the observers, the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, the dirtiest election. Everybody knows the election has been stolen from us. So I think we have every
with respect,
right.
I just looked back at the EU Monitor's report on that election. They reported some grave concerns about abuses in specific places, not involving just one party, but several different parties. But the final and ultimate conclusion was that they believed the result was credible, that Imran Khan's election victory in 2018 was credible. That was the conclusion of the EU report.
Then you haven't read all the reports. The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan.
You can cherry pick the most negative. I'm telling you that the EU monitors, highly respected, independent monitors, looked at everything that happened in Pakistan, and they concluded that Imran Khan's victory was credible.
No, Free and Fair Election Network, which is the global one. Do we have any question on their integrity? What do they report?
I don't believe that there's ever been an election in Pakistan without some abuses where every single thing was conducted with freedom and integrity. That doesn't work in Pakistan. The truth is Imran Khan has a democratic mandate. He's been in power for 2 years, and you are now saying to the Pakistani people he must be removed from office.
Mr. Sarkar, this election has been stolen. It was a rigged election. There was a pre-poll rigging. Electables from our party were pushed to his party using the NAB. During the day, the results transmission system was choked off and was put off of hours. Our polling agents were expelled from the poll. I mean, Fafin has reported 35 seats were rigged and stolen. Otherwise, he would have never been in government.
Well, your party chooses to say that. I would simply come back to Michael Gala, the chief of the the EU monitoring team, who said overall
I think you have
this
to read the whole
election result is credible.
Well, this. You haven't read the whole report. Let's go to the whole report of EU chief. Please go through what did he say before this last sentence.
Well, of course, his conclusion is the most important thing. I think you'd agree.
Well,
maybe you wouldn't. Okay, let's move on.